Hi friends, welcome back in another video. Today in this video we will know how to remove the background of any image. Today we have these four images. We will know how to remove the background of these images. So for removing background, open your browser and search remove bg and click on very first link www.remove.bg. Here it is completely free. Click on upload image, select the image, here the background is removed. Now download. Here you can see the background of image is removed and the quality of image is same as I have uploaded. Now we will check with another image. Click on upload image. We will select it. Here it is processing and you can see again background is removed. Download image and you can see it's looking good. Now we will check for another image. Here also you can see it. And last one. In this image the background is not clear and that's why I have selected this image, so that you can identify the background is removable or not. And here you can add the design, create your free designs, transferring to Canva. And guys, if you want to access Canva for free, then I have uploaded a video. You can check out that video. In that video I have explained how to access Canva for free. I will provide the video link in description. Please check out. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.